In this video, I'm going to go over the 5 things you should be thinking about when starting an online business. The 5 items I'm talking about in this video are really important to think about before you set up shop. My name is Tracy, and if this is the type of videos you want, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I know to make more. Let's start with number 1, the most important item, and that is mindset. Yeah, we're going to have to talk about mindset. I've been around for a while, and the number one thing I've seen get in the way of successful businesses is mindset. You might think money is, but mindset really is the key. And what I mean by mindset, as you know, other people certainly have different outlooks on this, is I mean that you're determined and will not take no for an answer. I don't mean you're going to be a jerk, but rather you're not going to let obstacles get in your way. Instead, you'll find a way around them. That's huge because a lot of people give up when it becomes a little hard or they get frustrated. Mindset is that you've decided to take action and to focus on what will make the difference in your business. You believe in what you're doing wholeheartedly and you're taking action now. You're ready. You're ready to move on. I came across a digital illustrator who had just started her business and was making fabulous custom portraits at a very low price and working long hours to do it. Her mindset was she was too small to ask for more money, and she was burnt out already, and her business wasn't even 6 months old. I'm telling you, mindset sets the tone for everything else. And if you get this right, you're one step closer to success. What you can do right now is list all the reasons why you can start an online business. You can list what's holding you back, and then the consequences for not moving forward. You could do a little time travel and visualize your future self and where you will be in the future. And many people talk about this, and the reason they do is because it actually works. So, mindset. Number 2 is if you have the right mindset, let's focus on the next item, which would be your lifestyle. Many people start to talk about your niche or your ideal client, but I would back up just a little bit and start looking how to define this new business so it will enhance your lifestyle rather than take over it. With all the knowledge and technology available today, you can create an online business where you are not physically working in it all the time, but rather it's working for you 24/7. Start to reverse engineer the type of business and lifestyle you want. Start at the end. What does that look like? You can start asking questions regarding what do you want to be doing on a daily basis for your business. Even daily is something you need to think of. Are you working Monday to Friday or 7 days a week? Take it all into consideration as you will be working this business and it's part of your lifestyle. What does a month in your life look like running this business? How about 6 months, a year? Write it all down so you know where you're trying to get to. Build that into your business. Next one up, number 3. What skills do you have and what areas do you need help in? Before you niche down, you will need to identify some basic business standards that you will have to deal with regardless of the business you're in, and figure out where your skill level falls. For instance, you need to pay taxes, you need to manage money, you need to sell and market your products or services. Start listing these areas out and what level of skill you have in them and where you will need the help. Some items could be bookkeeping, marketing, purchasing, maybe legal advice. You may choose to do everything yourself at the beginning, but if you ask these questions now, you'll identify the areas you eventually will need help with. This list will continue to grow with your business. Right now, you might not need legal advice, but depending on your business, it might be something in your future. Think of these items and if appropriate, start to talk to the right people. You don't have to spend the money, but you can start talking to people. One of the things I really strongly suggest is start making connections with people on social media that are in areas where you're not so great, and make sure you're adding them to your network. Build relationships with them before you need them. Learn from them and then contact them when something comes up you need help with. If you built a relationship with them, you already know if you want to work with them. Seek out accountants, sales consultants, marketing experts, lawyers, and a really good tax person. The next one is number 4. What are you selling? What makes you feel great and you love talking about? This is not an exercise to figure out the exact product or service right now, but to start to dig deep into what you can see yourself doing for the next few years. If we go back to your lifestyle question, that will really help you define what your online business is. What do you think you would like to sell? Products or services? If products, will they be physical or digital? Are these products your own and you'll be creating them yourself? Or are you selling someone else's product? Or selling someone else's product under your own name? Maybe becoming an affiliate where you earn commission for marketing a product. If it's a service, do you want to do one-on-one clients? Maybe it's a membership site, or you're creating a course. You have a lot of options with e-commerce, drop shipping, affiliate, freelancing, becoming a coach or a consultant, information products. There are a ton of options. Just remember how this business and your choice of what you've decided to sell works with your lifestyle. One of my online businesses is an e-commerce site selling products from several different manufacturers. This was great when my children were younger and I liked being close to home, marketing the site at night and shipping out the orders during the day. However, my lifestyle has changed and I now no longer like being tied to the business in the same way. I don't want to worry about whether I have to ship out orders for customers, and that's the freedom I'm looking for. I want you to do the same and take the time to imagine your life and how your business fits in. And the last item is number 5. What type of business do you want? Are you going to go solo? Do you want a bunch of employees? Do you want an actual office space? Are you looking for something to scale and build an empire, or a business that you could do solo with a little bit of support? There is no wrong answer. You are just clearing the path and making sure to gather the right information for your journey. What you should be familiarizing yourself with is common business structures like solo proprietorship or partnership or an LLC, and also the potential tax implications. Remember, this can all change later as your goals and lifestyle changes, but if you want to start out with a balanced life, think about these options first before diving into a business that may not be the right fit. And if you're on the fence about starting an online business, remember it can be fairly inexpensive to start, but you have major potential to grow and scale your business. You have exposure to a global population and a business that can run 24/7. And you can always start part-time if you don't want to go all in. So I hope that helps you with your decision. I also have a resource that you could grab. It's in the video description box below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get notified when I upload another one.